So just a quick video for you guys to show you our brand new exhaust tips for the G80 M3. These come in a set of 4 and they are of 3 designs. We have the slash satin finished 4-inch, we've got the polished round perforated, and we've got the slash cut burnt tipped edition. Just show you a quick installation and how easy these are to fit. So as with the previous models, they are a slip-on tip. They do have some locating pins offset from the 12 o'clock position, but nonetheless pretty much similar. Some people use a rubber mallet to take them off, but we use a simple pry bar and a cloth. So you can see that's the outer tips taken off the G80. Again, it's very similar to the F-series models, and we do have some tips coming for them as well as a complete slip-on. If you have a look at the actual tip itself, you can see the actual retaining clip on the top, which needs to be prized out. I mean, when we prize it out, it does pull back on its own, but you can manually pick this and pull it back before you get a pry bar or a rubber mallet behind there. So that's the old tips off. We'll go through all 3 versions now and show you what they look like. So the first set you're going to see are the mirror polished straight cut 4-inch. They are embossed with the NVM logo visible, and these are perforated as well internally so that it covers the actual original tubing and you won't see it. And it's also got a grub screw on the bottom, as with all our tips, for complete fitment. So yeah, let's get them on. As you can see, instead of the slash cut, they are straight cut, and they have a great baffling in them as well. So it's perforated, so you don't see the slash of the original pipe. They are embossed as well. They just look absolutely amazing on the G80 M3. So the next set we are going to fit are the satin finished 4-inch slashed double walled one. Let's have a look. That's a solid satin 4-inch slash cut. Looks absolutely amazing. I think it suits the angles on the car to a T. So the next one has to be one of my favourites. This is the competition slash burnt tip. We call it the competition, and you'll see why when we fit it. That's our burnt 4-inch slash cut, and it's full stainless steel construction with a burnt tip. Looks absolutely amazing. It makes the car look way more aggressive. So that's all the different versions of the tip. We've got the slash cut burnt tip, we've got the satin angle cut, we've got the original oversleeve, and our mirror polish straight. So yeah, pick which one you want and order them now online.